Alright, this is going to be the elevator here in the Samoa house at the Disney's Polynesian Resort. And we got a tiny older Otis Series 1 here going up. Ah, this must be one of the original buildings here. Up to 3. Red indicator. Yeah, this is definitely a mod. Classic leveling. Yeah, you can tell this is where the old indicator used to be. And you can see how the panel's like slapped in here. 1. Let's get a cab view. Very small cab. Yeah, I'm guessing, yeah, this is definitely one of the original 1970s buildings here. 1971 to be exact. Here on 1. Older Series 1 mod. Classic leveling. Here's your older Otis interlock. Up. Probably a former Lexan or General. Alright. And there's an ADA phone. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's listen.
There's rags all over the...
1. Getting it off here.
They come in on the combo stuff.
Here's your indicator. Red indicator, very rare. Switches. There's your older Otis Series 1 fixtures. And 1 goes out. And I'm going to get off right here. The Samoa house, I believe, is the one this is. There's a hallway there. And there it goes. And that's going to be it.